Hi, I'm Chris DeWitt,
And I am Oscar Yague.
and we're the founders of Ardmore Home Design. Blue Pheasant, what were you thinking about this season? What was behind the collection? What was your inspiration as you were building the line?
I think for Blue Pheasant, it was a little bit Sicily. We did a trip to Sicily over the summer, and the idea was to mix the blues and the yellows and some natural elements. Probably the dinnerware collection, which is probably one of the stars of the collection, is the Delara collection, which has that blue rim that goes around. And then I did the Andrew glass, the tortoise glass in that really nice turquoise color. There's some yellow placements, and then there's a lot of like shell bowls in blue color. So it's kind of like a really fun
vintage inspired.
It's a vintage inspired collection, but it's a lot of like different sea life elements with a lot of blues, yellows, and some fun colors. I think it's a really fun collection.
It's got a very curated sort of feel.
We do a lot of things with the resin collection, with the resin materials. So they are really like mellow colors with the new shapes. The new flatware is a wood also, like the mica that can go into the dishwasher. All in all, it's a really nice, earthy, relaxed, Sicily-inspired collection.
Meals with friends.
Meals with friends, that's what this is about. Just bring the food to the table.